So if you're facing this problem and you want to fix this problem, I'm going to show you 3 steps or 3 ways to fix this problem. First of all, tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart and tap on OK to get this device restart. Sometimes when you don't restart your phone, or you use your phone for a very long time without restarting it, this problem can happen. When you try this and it's not working, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification. Now tap on see all apps. Now scroll to search for the app, or tap on app search at the top right corner. Then you type in the app name, and when it appears, tap on it. After that, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned on like this. After that, go back and tap on net notifications and make sure this show notification is also turned on. For doing this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone settings again. Now tap on network and internet, tap on mobile network, select the network you're using. Then after that, scroll a little bit, tap on advanced, then tap on preferred network type, then select 4G/3G/2G or 2. After selecting this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to your Google Play Store, what you have to do is to update the app. So when you update the app, after updating it, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart to restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed.